Edo 2020. Opposition never gree talk why dem no want make Obaseki return for second term. Na Enogie of Obazuwa na im talk this one. The Enogie of Obazuwa wey dey Ovia Northeast local government area for Edo State, His Royal Highness Prince Edun Akenzua, don talk say people wey no wan elect Godwin Obaseki, wey be PDP governorship candidate and governor of Edo State, never gree come out come talk wetin be the reason why dem no want make him come back for second tenure. The traditional ruler talk this one when he received Governor Godwin Obaseki wey come pay am courtesy visit for im palace as part of im word-to-word re-election campaign for Edo South Senatorial District on Tuesday 25th August 2020. As the monarch received the governor, him deputy Philip Shaibu and other members of Edo PDP campaign team, Prince Akenzua come hail Obaseki for him ogbonge achievements for the different sectors wey dey Edo State, as he pray say make the ancestors of the land grant am victory for September 19 elections. He talk say since Obaseki become Edo State governor almost 4 years ago, dem wey be the Enigies for Ovia Northeast local government area dey happy with him government. The Enogie come warn all the people wey wan deceive Edo people, come still force dem join to vote who dem not like, say na dem and the ancestors na im get battle together. He come pray make God and im ancestors dey with Obaseki and im team. Meanwhile, Obaseki come tell the Enogie say him go do forest audit so that him go fit reclaim some of the natural habitat, come turn am to economic benefits. He still talk say wetin poachers dey do no good at all, and him go regenerate the forest come dey grow oil palm for there. This one na the ogbonge informate wey we don carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As the Enogie of Obazuwa don talk say the people wey no want Obaseki for second tenure never gree talk the reason why dem no want am. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edogogo Edoleyi.